right, let's hear it from Matthew. Yeah. Hey,
That said, it's
as I said, Matthew's been in the area playing at various restaurants and clubs for many, many years, over 40 years. And so he's led a fabulous life that began in Lahaina. And his family was still in Lahaina, and as you can imagine, they lost their home. So for those of us that really appreciate his music, if you could take the time to come up and visit his tip jar, we'd really appreciate it. Way to go. And that was a Billie Holiday song, right? All right, and eventually Blood, Sweat, and Tears. And Matthew took it a level better than both of those folks. Hey, we're going to be doing the silent auction here. The first one, which is A, will be numbers 1 to 27. So if you have any items between 1 and 27, we'll be wrapping that silent auction up here in about a half an hour. Okay? All right, so let's continue to enjoy Matthew's beautiful music. Thank you, Matthew.